State of Uttar Pradesh. It's a significant development regarding the Sambhal violence probe. The police have now recovered more than 40 letters which reveal crucial information about the riots that broke out in the Sambhal district. These letters that mention the involvement of individuals not just from Sambhal but from other districts as well. Acting on the information, the police has now formed 5 teams to collect evidence from these areas and are even interrogating 15 suspicious individuals. So this letter, 40 letters that have been recovered from riot-hit Sambhal district. The letters that mention people from outside Sambhal were involved in the riots. The letter mentions outsiders coming from districts including Amroha, Muradabad, Rampur and Bulandshahr as well. 5 police teams that have been collecting evidence from areas mentioned in the 40 letters that have been found by the Sambhal police. So clearly a sensational revelation in the Sambhal violence probe. Outsiders' involvement that is being probed by the police at this stage. In fact, just to give a quick recap, these are 40 letters that have been recovered by the Sambhal police. Letters which mention the involvement of people from districts including Bulandshahr, Rampur, Amroha and Muradabad among others. And we are also getting a quick update on the probe into Assault Gate. We are now given to understand that 2 BJP MPs who were injured during the scuffle that broke out in the Parliament premises on Thursday have now been released from the RML hospital. They've been discharged, beg your pardon. So this days after the Parliament Assault Gate showdown, BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput have been discharged from the RML hospital. All right, before we get you those details, all right, this is an update that's coming in on the Parliament Assault Gate. Injured MPs who have now been discharged. The 2 BJP MPs who were admitted in the ICU, Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, have now been discharged from the hospital. In fact, in another update, the Delhi Police Crime Branch is also likely to record the statements of the BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi as well as Mukesh Rajput. All right, so this is the latest that's coming in. Rahul Gandhi, who's facing heat for the scuffle that broke out during protests in the Parliament premises. The 2 BJP MPs who sustained serious injuries have now been discharged from the hospital. It's also likely that the Delhi Police Crime Branch will be recording statements of the 2 BJP MPs who sustained injuries.